everybody, what is up? Welcome back to another day. I had planned to do the following work on the Mazda, of course. The engine's not in yet, we still gotta put that in and do all kinds of crazy stuff. Today's Neff is here, so that'll be awesome. More help, we can get it done. But something happened, guys, to my parents' car. Look, see what just happened? Yeah, they crashed into it. The wheel is inside. Problems were with the suspension, the light, and then the front. Look at this bumper, completely came off. I have it out there somewhere. Have to fix this, guys. My parents were like, yeah, we should go take it to a shop, this and that. You know, I'm like, no. Take it to Import Unlimited. We got your bag. Anything you need, we can fix it for you. So I convinced them to let me fix the car, get it running properly, because it's not even able to drive. It's all moving all over the place, all crooked and stuff like that. So once I get that fixed, the most important thing is to get it where it runs good so we can get that aligned, and then we can fix the body work, this headlight, another day. This bumper's not that bad. We could probably paint it again and then clean this up, sand it a little bit. Bondo, it could be done. The wheels could be polished again. As you can see, it was a hard hit, so luckily nobody was hurt. So yeah, that's what's happening. Let's get started. All right, guys, so I took out the wheel already, and Neff is over there on the other side. Do you notice the difference? Yep. All right, so look, what's happening is from the A-frame, this part over here completely broke off. So that is not good. This is bended, and yeah, that's a huge mess. I was hoping that wouldn't have happened, so we would have to place this whole rear suspension unit right here. See what I'm talking about though, Neff? This is the main area right here that's completely bended. I have to replace that whole thing. That is ridiculous. Come on, Neff, look alive. Tired of what?
We slept like around 1.
Yeah, you woke up like around 8:30.
Still.
I still don't know what I'm gonna do, Neff. To get this fixed, I would have to unbolt it from right here in the bottom. You guys see that right there? Same thing from the other side, because it is, you know, assembled to the A-frame, but it could be fixed. It's just put that back together. I don't know, maybe I should convince my parents back to sell it for or part it out. Maybe we could part it out. We don't know yet. If anybody's looking for a Honda Accord 2005, hit me up. Then maybe we can work something out. So after the past half an hour or so, I was really taking a look at this whole suspension unit from the back. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm still deciding. Neff is over there cleaning up a customer's car, looking clean, looking fresh. But we out here, we hustling, we working. For all your locals out there, hit us up. We could definitely cut you a deal if you need anything waxed or cleaned up. And then let's check it out and see what Sway is doing in here. Whoa, what you doing? So we got Import Unlimited right here. We're stocking up some more parts, some more inventory. So check us out. What is he looking at? He's making a deal right now with somebody. But yeah, we're doing it. We got a few customers coming in later. I don't know if I'm gonna be fixing the car right now, but we're gonna do something. Probably gonna go get the rims, put those on our website, and then maybe put those on the Mazda. But he's busy out there. If you guys need anything, hit him up. Gmail, you guys already know it. It's import, what is it? import1unlimited@gmail.com it was. I don't even know. Yeah. But that's what's going on right now, guys. So we better get started. You guys know what to do. This way. He's the man. We still can't decide what we're gonna do with the Honda. I have to call in some place to get some parts quotes and all that, and I think the parts is gonna cost more than the actual value of the car since it's Savage now. I want to think it through a day or two, but we're gonna start working on the Mazda, or at least getting some wheels for it, which are these right here. They're beautiful. They're really clean. We're gonna get some tires for them, which we already do have. Import Unlimited hooking this up, and then we have some other rims that we have to sell, so we're gonna get those cleaned up too. You'll see them right now. So you ready for this, Neffy?
Yep.
I call Josue sleeping, Neffy. Hey, Josue, I need a 40. It's gonna be all those. Alright, let's go. Alright, finally came back already, and they look really good mounted. So now all I gotta figure out is to paint them or spray paint them. Get these really clean. Alright, so look at these rims. They look good. They're really, really nice. We're gonna be posting these on eBay ASAP right now. So if you like them, shut up. If you want these for your ICE 300, they're a 5 by 114. What do you want? They're a 5 by 114, 16 inches, drag DR33s. So just got done with these parts and think they're gonna be posted online now. So you guys already know what to do.
You guys want the rims or no?
So we're gonna be, we got already some customers that want them already.
Yeah.
They're already online or what?
Yeah,
they're on eBay? Cool. So they're online already.
$60 each.
So that's what's going on right now,
I need
guys.
another one. O1S CR.
Still upset about what happened to the Honda Accord. Too bad. We got our wheels set up. Definitely gonna paint them black for sure. So yeah, once they're posted black, that's how they're gonna look right there. Yeah, I think they'll fit the car. So we'll see. We'll go in, see what's going on. Import Unlimited, seeing what these guys are doing. But I think we have an appointment coming in soon. What's up, guys? What's going on?
Is Chava still coming in?
Yeah, I think in for 5 o'clock.
Okay,
so,
we still have the rims.
Neffy, what are you doing?
You can buy them whenever you want.
That's what's up.
Cleaning
You
this.
guys know, you guys can hit us up, email us. And what is the sweat doing over here? Everything cool?
Yeah, for sure. ¿Cómo estamos, mi gente?
So,
I remember I used to do this.
that's what we gotta do.
Go to Import Unlimited.
Import Unlimited.
You know
We got more in inventory on the other side. We're just stocking up right now.
Yeah.
But I got the other wheels over there too. I'm gonna be painting them maybe
Simon's
tonight.
cute. Hit him up.
You heard it from him.
Hit me up. I'm single.
Any shout
I
outs
can
you guys
mingle.
wanna shout out?
O1S CR7. Write it out.
Go follow me on Instagram, Naftali_Mendoza.
Alright guys, you guys heard it. We might catch you guys later. I would have to basically take all the tie rods. Alright, ahorita voy.
What kind of loser can't fix his own car? Look at